So students, see question number 8. Okay, this is the little complicated question compared to other questions in your exercise. Okay, so just see here, complicated in the sense you have to use your basic knowledge more here. Okay, in class 8 whatever you have studied, those also you have to apply here. Okay, so see carefully. Not class 8, actually we have discussed here also lines and parallel lines. Remember property and all, we have to understand their property here. So see here carefully. In right triangle, what it says, ABC. Right triangle means one angle will be 90 degree. In triangle ABC, right? Right angle at C. So if I make right angle triangle ABC, right angle at C they have said. Okay. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse. So there will be a midpoint at hypotenuse. So let this be the midpoint M. Okay, M is the midpoint on hypotenuse, right? AB. Okay, C is joined to M. C is joined to M. So let's join this. Okay, and produce to point D. And produce to point D. So produce this line to point D. Such that DM is equal to, so there will be D, such that DM is equal to CM. Now since this is midpoint, this also will be equal. Okay, so this also equal, this also equal. Okay, D is joined to point B. D is joined to point B. Show that. Okay, so this is your diagram. So I have already drawn in your question also. This is the one. Okay, since M is the midpoint, this side and this side, this length and this length will be same. And here they have already said DM is equal to CM, right? Here in the question they have given. And they have said that this ABC is a right angle triangle. So wherever I have marked this red color mark, you can see this double slash I have given here. Here one slash, double slash means these two are same, these two are same, and this angle is 90 degree. I have marked it here. Okay. Now what they have asked you to find. So see here. Show that triangle AMC. Which one is AMC? AMC. So I will draw separately this one because you might get confused there. Okay. So this side and this side is equal with something. Okay. AMC is congruent to BMD. BMD means this triangle. So very simple this one. BMD. Okay, and they have said that this side and this side equal, this side and this side equal. You can see from here. Okay, now see, to show this two congruent, what I have to show? Out of that 4 property, 1 property I have to show, right? Now some student might be thinking right angle is there, but in this triangle right angle is not there. Okay, so you have to be very careful here. So see here, these two sides of this triangle and this triangle are same. So two condition we don't have to show here. It's already given. Now one thing you have to find out. So out of your 4 property, either you can use side angle side or angle side angle or side 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 or right angle. So this right angle I'm not going to use because right angle is not there in this triangle. Now angle side angle, that also I'm not going to use because two sides are given. So side angle side might be the chances, right? So side angle side, with this condition, if you want to show this congruent, one angle you have to show it is equal. So you can see in this two triangle, here you will not understand. Now you have to see here. Okay, so in this two triangle, can I say this angle and this angle same because they are vertically opposite angle? This kind of question we have done many times, so I don't think you will have any problem here. So this angle and this angle, it's same. So you can see side angle side, side angle side, it's same here. So these two triangle are congruent. So this side and this side corresponding, this side and this side corresponding part, and this angle corresponding part. So obviously in this triangle, this angle and this angle will be corresponding part, this angle and this angle will be corresponding. So this angle also will be equal. So let me mark it here. Okay, and this angle and this angle will be equal. Okay, anyway, so we have already proved that these two triangles are congruent. So solution, how we will write? In triangle AMC and BMD, in this two triangle. AMC I have taken first, right? So from there only I will take first side. AM is equal to BM. This is given. Next angle, side I will use, right? So angle, just put right down, angle AMC is equal to angle BMD. Why BMD? Because vertically opposite angles are always same. Okay, angles. Next, MC is equal to, or CM is equal, according to question I'm writing, CM is equal to DM. Okay, DM. This is also given. So we have proved by side angle side. I can write triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. Why? By side angle side congruency. Okay, so this was very simple, right? Next, number 2. This was number 1. Number 2, what they have asked you? Number 2, they have asked you prove that show that DBC, angle DBC is right angle. Means angle DBC is which one? DBC means this angle you have to prove it is right angle. Now you will show this one. How? So see here, I will draw separate diagram here. This angle I have to show it is 90 degree. Now how you will show? Now to show this one, two ways are there. They have already given that this angle is 90 degree. If I can show that this triangle and this triangle congruent, then you can easily say that this angle is 90 degree because this will be corresponding to this one, right? But the problem here, can you show this two triangle congruent? You try, you won't get 3 condition directly here. You can see to show this two triangle congruent here, what are the condition you can see? So first thing, this two triangle congruent I have already shown, right? So this side and this side also will be equal because this also corresponding part. Okay, this and this. This side and this side will be corresponding part, right, of congruent triangle. So this side will be equal. Okay, so first thing, okay, fine. This is equal. One side you know. Next, this is common. Okay, fine. After that, which angle is equal? Here you can't say any angle equal between these two triangle, right? Because this is 90 degree. I don't know about this. I don't know about this. I don't know even about this. This angle and here, don't get confused. This angle is equal to this portion only, not whole. So this angle, don't say that this is equal to this one. Okay. Even though if it is equal also, you cannot say this two triangle congruent because this won't be the corresponding part. You can see between these two sides, this is the angle. Between these two sides, it should be this one, right? This and this must be equal. Anyway, you don't know that. We have to prove. This is 90 degree we know, but we don't know about this. So here, this two triangle I cannot show it is congruent. So how you will show next? So this is very important here. So see carefully. In this triangle you can see just now what you have proved. See carefully this diagram. Okay, let me draw properly. See carefully. Just now you have proved that this two triangle congruent, right? So can I write? Where is my pen? Can I write this angle and this angle equal? Right? Corresponding, right? This side and this side was equal. That's why this angle and this angle corresponding part. This angle corresponding. This angle corresponding part. This side and this side equal. Okay, anyway, I don't need this right now. Okay. Now see, I have to prove this whole angle is 90 degree. For that, how I'll prove? See here. First thing, this two line, between this two line, you can see this angle and this angle equal. If I draw it separately, you see carefully what it forms. This angle and this angle same. Can you see this is not alternate interior angle? This is an alternate interior angle, right? You can see this angle and this angle equal. So can I say these are alternate interior angle which are equal, right? So if alternate interior angle, what can I say about this two line? Can I say these two lines are parallel? Yes, means this line and this line is parallel. that is DB, this one is DB, this is AC. Can I say AC is parallel to DB? These are all observation, okay? Since our first case was failed, I was telling you two ways are there, right? First way was to show congruent. If you can show, then only you can say that this angle and this angle is 90 degree, right? But in that case, we failed to show that these two triangles were congruent, right? So what we have done, we have to go for alternate way, right? So you can see here, just now we have shown that these two triangle congruent. So from that we have seen that this angle is equal to, now if you see carefully, this angle and this angle equal means what? This and this will be parallel to each other. Why? Because alternate, these are alternate interior angle, okay, and they are equal. So we know in parallel line property, if alternate interior angle, then the lines are parallel, or corresponding angles, you can show that sum of corresponding angles is 90 degree, then also it is parallel, right? So since these two are equal, these are parallel. Now see carefully, if these two are parallel, this is 90 degree. See carefully, I will draw again separately. These two are parallel, this is 90 degree. Now this will be transversal or not again? If these two are parallel, which we have already proved, these two are parallel and this will be transversal. Now if this is 90 degree, this will be how much? Remember, corresponding angle, interior angle, corresponding interior angle sum is how much? It's always supplementary, right? These two angles are always supplementary. So if this is 90, obviously this must be 90 degree because its sum is 180 degree, right? So sum is 180 degree means if this is 90, this also will be 90. So this is how I can show that this angle is 90 degree. I know this was little tough, but if you practice well, then automatically you will understand. So these are all about the judgment in the picture. I told you last year in class 8, right, how to judge things. If one way fail, try to find out the other way. So you have to think, no one can help you there, okay? So once you know all the property, try to see how you will use it, okay? So let's try to find out question number 2. So first thing, I will show these two lines are parallel. So very simple to show that, since angle BAC or MAC, I will write MAC is equal to angle, this angle, right, MBD. Why they are equal? Since, or you can write CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle, right? This angle and this angle, these are what? Or simply, if you have confusion here, triangle, since triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. So since these two triangles are congruent, corresponding angle also will be same, okay? So corresponding angle are same. So since these two angles are same, therefore AC parallel to DB. Why? Since alternate interior angles are equal. You can see alternate interior angles are equal means AC and DB will be parallel. Now if AC and DB parallel, therefore angle ACB plus angle DBC is equal to how much? It should be 180 degree. ACB plus DBC must be 180, because see, if these two lines are parallel, this will be your transversal, and if this is transversal, this is your interior angle of corresponding sides in same side, right? These are same side, and these are interior angles, right? So we know that corresponding interior angles are always supplementary, right? So means sum of these two angle will be always 180 degrees. Sum of this angle will be 180 degrees. That's why I said your basic concept is need here, okay? So from this we already know it's 90 degrees. So angle DBC will be how much? DBC is equal to 90 degree. Bring that side. If 180 minus 90 degree, it will be 90. So second part is also done. Now the third part is, you have to show DBC congruent to ACB. DBC, this triangle, congruent to ACB. Now we have to prove this triangle and this triangle congruent. Now in this case also we tried to prove that, right? We were not able to prove because we didn't had enough information there. Right now we know that this angle is 90 degree, this angle also 90 degree. Now we can easily prove this one congruent. You can see here carefully. I have to prove D, B, C and A, C, B. These two triangle congruent I have to prove. Now we already know this side equal, right? We already know this side equal. Why? Common, right? This side. Now we know that this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So angle side, side angle side, side angle side. So very simple question, right? So here the question number 2 is little tough. So practice that one only well. Okay. So number 3. How you will prove? I will write from here. Since AC is equal to DB, already proved. Condition you can write like that, okay? Already proved. And then what you will write? BC equal to BC. Better write angle first. Side angle side, right? Angle DBC is equal to angle ACB. No, first I am taking from this one, right? This triangle AC side. So better write down first angle from here. Angle ACB is equal to angle DBC in triangle ACB and triangle DBC. Okay, this is also proved, right? Next, BC is equal to BC. Common, right? So side angle side condition I can say, therefore triangle ACB is congruent to triangle DBC. Side angle side congruency. Okay, so very simple. Next, number 4. Number 4, what they have asked? CM equal to half of AB you have to show. So this will be very simple, right? We have done this kind of question many times and I told you the trick how to solve this kind of question. You see what you have to prove. CM is equal to half of AB. So you don't have to think much here. What you have to do is just randomly try to make equation of CM or AB. Okay, and in that equation when you make randomly, what will happen? Obviously you might not get, when you make randomly equation of CM, you might not get AB there. So what you will do, if you get something other than AB, try to convert that one in terms of AB. Okay, so see what I'm trying to tell you here. This kind of question we have done in earlier exercise also. Okay, so see carefully how I'll prove. Number 4. So CM is equal to half of AB, right? How I will get this one? You don't have to think. Try to make equation only. So can I make equation of CM from here in this diagram? So CM is which one? CM is this. So randomly I will make CMC. Can I write CM equation like this? CD is equal to CM plus MD or DM. You can write MD also, not a problem. DM I'm writing because this have been used in question many times, right? So CD is equal to CM plus, you can see randomly I'm making equation of CM. Now when I make randomly equation of CM, different quantity came out, right? So DM also came out, CD also came out. So what I have to do now, I have to remove this one and have to convert in terms of A. Now DM, what you can write? DM and CM is same, right? So in place of DM, can I write CM? If I write CM here, what will happen? CM plus CM, 2CM you will get, right? Now DM problem gone, DM gone, and it's converted into CM only. Now the problem is only CD, so I have to remove CD now. Now CD can I write in terms of AB? CD can I write in terms of AB? Now just now we have proved, right, this triangle and this triangle congruent. If it is congruent, you can see this side is correspond to this side because it's common, right? And we have seen that this side and this side corresponding parts. So this one and this one will be corresponding part, right? So this side and this side, can I say they are equal? Yes. So CD, what I can write? Can I write directly AB? Why? Since triangle A ACB is congruent to triangle. Wait, in the previous one, did I write ACB or something else I have written by mistake? So yeah, I have written ACM here. It should be ACB, okay? I've seen from this diagram, right? It should be ACB, not ACM, okay? So CD is equal to AB, right? You have understood, because this triangle and this triangle DBC is congruent. So if it is congruent, obviously this will be equal. Why? Corresponding part CPCT, right? So from this you can see CM was alone, right, in number 4. Let me make it alone 2. Bring this side, what it will be? 1 by 2. Proved. Simple, right? So first exercise is over. I will send you the PDF as well tomorrow, okay?